Let's play with the animal puzzles by Melissa and Doug. First, let's open the box. There are 3 different kinds of puzzles. Let's take out the square puzzles. All right. Let's see. The first piece that I'm holding looks like a fish with some kind of teeth and a little fish. So I'm gonna put it right here. Next is a turtle. Put it right here because this has a flat edge. This looks like part of an octopus. So maybe it's this corner here. Okay. Next one, it seems like it's part of this big fish. So I'll put it closer. Look, the next piece also matches this color. So I wonder if we can fit this right here. Look, it fits. Okay. The next piece is the same color of this fish and it matches right here. It's a whale. Okay, let's finish the rest of the puzzles. This one is an octopus and looks like the remaining picture is right here. So I'll put the piece right here. Next we have a picture of seahorse. I'll put it right here. So the octopus matches with all the pieces. Next, this looks like a top corner with a picture of a bird. So I'm gonna put it right here. And I think this is a shark. Next, it looks like it has part of the whale. So I'll put it right here. Awesome. Then it is part of the shark. The color matches. So I'm gonna put it here. Look, it's a picture of a shark. Next, we have another corner because of the flat corner here. I'll put it right here. And this piece right here, this picture, looks like it's part of this turtle. So let's see if this matches. Awesome. Now we have this piece here in the corner, and the only piece remaining with the picture of a sun slightly showing is the last piece of the puzzle. So we did this. Awesome. is a picture of a SeaWorld. Okay, so let's put this aside. Let's take out our next puzzle. We'll do this one here first with a triangle at the back. We're gonna take these pieces out. Okay. Now let's see if with all the pieces, so we can see the pictures. Okay. Look, it's a picture of a pig. And I think this would be the remaining of the pig. So let's see if these two pieces fit. Okay, that's a picture of a pig. Now let's see. This looks like it's part of a horse. So I'm gonna put it right here. Find the rest of the pieces. And this color matches, so I feel like this is part of this horse. So let's see if these pieces would be here. Okay. Now looking at other pictures, I feel like this is also part of the horse because I can see the head. So I'll put it right here. And then I see a sheep right here. And I wonder if this is part of the sheep. Let's see if this fits together. Okay, it fits. A horse and a sheep. Now I see a chicken. I can see the head. Let me see if I can find the remaining part of this chicken. Right there. Okay. Now I see another chicken right here. It's a small part of the chicken. So let me see if I can find the body of that chicken. Put the pieces back. And I think this will fit right here. Okay. Here I feel like there is another animal with 4 legs. And looking at the remaining pieces, it might be a cow. So let's see if this piece would fit here. And there's another one with black and white. Looks like a cow's tail. So I will put it here. Okay. Then looking at these pieces, this looks like a corner. So this might be part of this barn right here, which is red in color. I'll put it right here. Okay, there is some water here. So I feel like this piece can be together where ducks are swimming in the water. And then the last piece is the pig that we made, because you can see some water over here and it's gonna fit right here. And that completes this puzzle. This is a puzzle of farm animals. Okay, we'll put this aside. And now our last puzzle has circle at the back. So I'll take out all these pieces of this puzzle. Now let's turn all these pieces so we can see the picture. Okay. So now the first piece that I see, it looks like a corner because it has flat ends, 2 of them, and it's a picture of a giraffe. So I'm gonna put it right here and try to find its body. So maybe this one will fit here, the body of the giraffe. Now look, this has part of black and white, looks like a leg of a zebra. So I'm gonna see if this fits right here. Okay. Now looking at this one, it has part of the giraffe and part of the zebra, so I'm gonna put it right here and see if it fits, and it does. So that completes our picture for the zebra, but the zebra is still missing the front part, so let's see where we can find that. I think it's this one because it has the black mouth. That could be for a zebra, and also part of the sun that's here. So let's see if this fits. Okay. Now looking at this piece, it looks like it's part of an elephant. I can see the trunk. So I'll try to find the rest of the elephant. And I feel like this is the ear, so I'll put it right here. And this could be the body because it's the same color, so I'll put it right here. Okay. And this piece has part of the lion and part of the elephant. So I'll put it right here. So that's a lion. Now for the rest. I feel like this is this one here because this has a corner. And looking at this piece, this could be part of the hippo because of the same color and the water. So I'm gonna put the piece right here, and this looks like a picture of a rhino. So I will put the piece here to see if this matches, and it does. And the last piece is the corner. It's a picture of a rhino right here, and that completes this puzzle. This is a safari puzzle. Thank you for watching. See you next time.